Jata's dream. After Ravan had left Ashok Vatika, Hanuman could perceive that Mother Sita was in deep anguish. He began worshipping Lord Ram to grant him the strength to save Sita from Ravan's clutches. One of Sita's female demon guards, Jata, was a faithful devotee to Lord Ram. She disclosed the details of a dream that she saw the previous night to her fellow guards. Sisters, I dreamt that a monkey came to Lanka, slew all the demons, and set the city on fire. Thereafter, Ram rescued Sita and crowned Vibhishan as the new king of Lanka. My dreams always come true. Everything will happen in 4 or 5 days. The female demons were shocked. They threw themselves at Sita's feet to seek her blessing and then went away to take rest. Sita confided in Jata and shared her agony. Jata consoled her. Don't give up, mother. Have faith. Lord Ram will be here soon. Hanuman meets Sita. Hanuman was listening to Jata and Sita's conversation from the tree top. When Jata left, Hanuman instantly sprang to a lower branch. He dropped Ram's ring in front of Mother Sita. Sita was very surprised to see the ring. She looked around anxiously. Holding the ring in her hand, she murmured, "Is this true, or am I imagining this? This is my Lord's signet ring. How can it be here in Lanka? Is this some kind of magic, or is it some delusion?" She pressed the ring to her eyes. She had tears of gratitude in her eyes. Hanuman came out of hiding. With both palms joined in reverence, he stood before Mother Sita. He, too, had tears pouring down his cheeks. Choking with emotion, he told Sita that Ram was suffering equally. He assured Sita that Ram would soon come to her rescue. He would defeat Ravan and free Sita from his clutches. Hanuman uproots trees. After assuring Sita that she would be rescued soon, Hanuman wished to inform Lord Ram quickly about her. He told Sita, "Oh mother, let me leave now. I have to meet Lord Ram as soon as possible." Sita was reluctant to part from Hanuman. But at the same time, she wanted to unite with Ram at the earliest. Before leaving, Hanuman asked Sita's permission to eat some fruits. He was very hungry. When Sita nodded, he started eating some fruits. He was not in a state to jump high to get the fruits. So he started uprooting the trees. The noise of trees getting uprooted alerted the guards. They rushed towards Ashok Vatika. They were surprised to see a monkey destroying the beautiful garden. They tried to stop the monkey, but it was very powerful and strong. They could not capture it. The guards then ran to the palace to inform Ravan about it. Meghnad's army is defeated. The guards informed Ravan how a monkey was creating havoc in Ashok Vatika. How can a monkey do all this single-handedly? It is extraordinary, Ravan thought furiously. He instructed his son, Meghnad, to capture the monkey and bring it to the royal court. Meghnad sent his armed soldiers towards Ashok Vatika. Hanuman was amused to see them charging towards him. He was happy that he had given the demons a big headache. The soldiers showered arrows at Hanuman, but they could not harm him at all. Hanuman enjoyed uprooting more trees and throwing them towards the soldiers. He was successful in defeating the entire army. The soldiers ran here and there to save their lives. Meghnad was watching the entire scene from a distance. He was shocked to see a monkey defeating his trained army. After defeating the soldiers, Hanuman again got engaged in eating the fruits.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.